Hey, Rory. Does Japan own the dolphins? No. That's right, baby. They don't. No, they don't own those dolphins. Maggie, what do you have to say to Japan? Yeah. Those poor dolphins down there, huh? You want them to stop killing those dolphins, Maggie? Huh? Yeah. She doesn't like this at all, and she knows. She knows because she hears the live streams with me. Her and Rory both. And you can just tell she's so sad when she sees the picture. So we love dolphins, and they don't belong to Japan. And we love the Cove Guardians, and we thank you for all you're doing and all that Sea Shepherd is doing. Stop the hunts, Taiji. We will not stop until the slaughters end.